Does coconut oil help eczema? Well, coconut oil can soothe and also hydrate the skin, and it's also good in terms of repair because it's anti-inflammatory, so therefore it takes down the inflammation where you have the flare-ups which cause the soreness and the redness and the irritation of the itching. I use coconut oil as part of my formulation, which I used when I made my daughter's natural skincare. And little did I know that by using these two natural ingredients with the therapeutic oils that I added, which went to further heal the skin, but it was key to clean up the gut, change her diet and eat clean, but it went hand in hand because it helped with the symptoms. So by using coconut oil, which is anti-inflammatory, it helps to repair the skin, it hydrates and it soothes, alongside the shea butter, which is a great emollient for protecting the skin's outer layer barrier.